Good morning, children. Jayadash here. Today we will do question number 6 of question number 2 of 6 of exercise 7.2. Here, the diagram is given in this way. Two triangles we can see here. One is PTQ and another is QRS. Some congruence parts are also given there. See the marked angle. Angle T means PTQ. Angle T is equal to angle RQS or SQR. This angle is equal to this angle. And angle P. See here two marks are mentioned here. These two marks is equal to this angle. Angle R and angle P are equal. And sides are also given. Side PT is equal to QR, side QT is equal to QS, and side PQ is equal to RS. You have to make these two triangles congruent, and you have to complete the congruent statement also. As YQRS, you have to complete this also. QRS triangle is congruent to triangle congruence. You have to find out triangle QRS is correspondence to triangle which what will be the name of the triangle when you are making congruent triangle QRS. Q angle QRS, Q angle is same as angle T. So Q can be substituted by, or Q can be replaced by T here, because in this triangle QRS, angle Q is same as angle T in PTQ, and angle R angle is same as angle P. So you have to write P here, and S will be same as Q. S can be replaced by Q. So triangle QRS congruent triangle TPQ. You have to show that. So how you can prove that these two triangles are congruent? Write there in this box statements and reason. Now in statement, first which so many criteria you can use SSS criteria also. You can use angle side angle criteria. In this way, between these two congruence criteria, you can use anyone. Which one you will want to use, you can use. Okay, we can use angle side angle criteria also, SSS also. You have to give 1, 2, 3, and at the end you have to write the congruence criteria. Say PT in triangle QRS, QR. In triangle QRS, QR is equal to side QR is equal to PT. It is given. So the reason you have to write given. Side angle T, that means QTP. Angle QTP is equal to angle QTP equal to SQR. Same angle SQR. Angle SQR. It is also given. And angle P, that means TPQ, angle TPQ equal to angle TPQ equal to angle QRS. This is also given. Therefore, triangle QRS congruent triangle TPQ. By which criteria we are using here? Which criteria you have to write? criteria, angle, side, angle, criterion. Understood? In this way, you have to complete the congruence criteria and you have to write the statement and reason. Come to next question. In a squared sheet, draw two triangles of equal area such that, question number 1, the triangles are congruent. See, this is a square sheet. It is a rough sketch only. In this question, it is a square sheet. In this square sheet, I have drawn two triangles in this sheet. So, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These two triangles are congruent as AB, say AB side equal to DE, side AB is equal to DE, side BC is equal to side EF, line segment, and AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. That means these two triangles are congruent by SSS criteria. And the question was there, another question also written there, what about their perimeter? As these sides, all the sides are equal, if I add this left hand side, all the sides, then AB, therefore AB plus BC plus AC from left side, AB, BC, AC is equal to DE plus EF plus DF. That means perimeter of triangle ABC, perimeter of triangle ABC equal to perimeter of triangle DEF. Next question was, the triangles are not congruent. When the triangles are not congruent, take this picture. Say it is a triangle ABC and this is a triangle PQR. Take another name, PQR. PQR. Now you can clearly you can see that AB is not equal to PQ. AB is not equal to PQ. Side AB is not equal to line segment PQ. Line segment BC is also not equal to QR. And AC is also not equal to PR. Therefore, if I add these three in the left side, AB plus BC plus AC, AB, BC, AC, that means they will be not equal to PQ plus QR plus PR. That means perimeter of triangle, in this case, perimeter of triangle ABC is not equal to perimeter of triangle PQR. Understood? Try to understand and draw whatever we have explained here. Thank you, students.